I have a F-150.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the cone. This ain't a persona.
All right, on to the next one. I have a Nissan Maxima. This is just a bumper job. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bumper together and get this on so this one can go home today. Right, I got this one all blocked out, ready to prep out. I am gonna have to go ahead and take apart this door to blend the color. They don't have enough space here to blend the color out, so we're gonna have to blend that door. We were aware of that initially when we took apart this car, but I was hoping it had a slight little spot right here, and I was hoping it would relax whenever I pulled the back of the car out, but it didn't, so I had to repair it, and we're gonna have to blend the color now. So I'm gonna take apart this door and send this one over to the paint department. On to the next one. I have a F-150. I'm down here in our aluminum shop. Another one of these. I've done a lot of these lately. This one's getting a bedside. You can see where it's all torn and destroyed right through this area. I think that's all this one gets. It's a new bedside, and then the tailgate gets repair on it in the corner right here. Minor. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this. I'm gonna get this bedside cut off and get this one moving. So these are sound deadening pads that I'm putting on the back here. You guys can see here, the old panel had one on that end and one on the other side. These help prevent the panel from making a tinning type of noise. If you picture like a piece of sheet metal, it's just quiet it down. These are just generic ones you could buy. All right, I just about have this bedside ready to go on. I'll run over all the bare aluminum one quick time in the morning and lay my glue and get this thing riveted and bonded on. That's a wrap for the day though. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.